Welcome in all my friends. Lazy Retired Granny here. Guess what I've got? Yep, another unboxing from Dreamer Designs. Woohoo! You know I love my Dreamers. Okay, so let's see what we have in this one. And I will just say that, as always, we get the handle on the box. And they also say, paint with passion. And on these, we will do just that. So let me open this up and see what we have this time. I am always excited to open Dreamer Designs, or as I call them, Dreamer. Okay, so let's get this plastic off. I'm so excited. There we go. Alrighty. Turn it over so I can get into the box. Their packaging is always just so wonderful. Every time I open one, it's like Christmas. I just so enjoy it. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. All right, set that down for a minute. There we go. And as always, we've got this nice sleeve that it comes in, and it says Dreamer Design on it. And then to open it up, yeah, look at all that purple ribbon, and it's a drawstring. Yep. All right. There we go. Okay, set that aside. This canvas is so soft. It is wonderful. And we get the ribbon. Yep. Look at there. All right. Now, inside we have another bag. This one is super soft. Oh, man. Just everything about this is just so exciting to me every single time I open up one. And it's also a drawstring. Let's see what we have this time. Turn it over. Get all the goodness out of here. There we go. Alrighty. So this time, we get some extra bags. We get 2 containers of wax, and make sure that when you open up the wax that you take off the this clear thing on the top so you can dip your pin in there. All right, and then we have 2 pins. This one is for the drills. This one's for the ABs, and it has a plastic tip on it. I really, really like these plastic tips. Yeah. And then we also have some multi-placers. And I don't know, I think this is a 3-placer and maybe this is a 4-placer. I don't use those, so I'm not really for sure. And then we also have our straightener. And these actually can fit on the other end of your pen. Yeah, I like that. And then we have 2 cushion grips, and these go on the pens, if I could get it on. But anyway, it helps, you know, just cushion your fingers a little bit as you're diamond painting. And then we've also got the tweezers And these do have their name on it. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Be sure you keep this protection cover on it because these are sharp. And then we also have the sparkly tray. And these trays, you just pop this open like that and you can pour out your drills. And when your drills are inside, yep, you just close that up so the drills don't fall out. And then you have this, which you can put on there and have 2 different color drills on here. So that is really nice. I just so like their accessory pack. And as we say, this is everything you need to diamond paint. However, as we all know, as we diamond paint more and more, we graduate to other things. So I don't use these thin stylus pens because they're too thin for me, and I use the fatter ones that's easier for my fingers. So you can really tell the difference in them. Yeah. But some people like these. Also, some people like to single place, some multi-place, and there's multi-placers up to, I don't know, 8 or 10, but I don't multi-place. Also, the wax, as you know, I don't use wax. I use nano grab tape. But on my budget friendlies, I do use this. So, and I don't use the bags, but you know, somebody will. All right, let's put all that goodness back in here. Set it aside. Yeah, and the all-important part. And let me see which way this goes. Now I got to stand up because this is going to be pretty big. Well, first, you know what? Let me get the drills out of here. And on all their drills, they do label it. So there's one pack. And the second pack. So this one says pack 2, or 1 of 2, and this one says 2 of 2. All right, let's set those aside for right now. And let's see what I got this time. All right, so I got Majestic Mansion by Alan Giana. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's an 80 by 60 centimeters or 31.5 by 23.6 inches. And as you can see, we do have our key down the side. And down at the bottom, which you cannot see, let me see if I can move this a little bit. It does say, here we go. Your diamond canvas kit comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Dreamer Designs. And you just email them at support@dreamerdesigns.com. All right, and then we can also see that, let's look at the key real quick. Get it up here on the camera. So we've got numbers, symbols, letters. Look at all that goodness. Yep, and there are 59 colors. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ABs in this beautiful, beautiful canvas. So I'm going to unroll it here. Okay, and we have some more goodies in here. So all their canvases come with an instruction booklet and tips and tricks, instructions, 15% off your next painting, and all their socials are listed down here. And then, let me just roll this carefully back a little bit. All right, so you get your sticker sheet here with the key, a picture of the canvas, and then some other little stickers, which I love. And there is a close-up of it. That is beautiful. All right, so let's put that aside for right now. Oh, and I should say all the information is on there, you know, the size, your start date, your end date. And these are good to put, if you have a logbook, to put in the logbook, which is what I do. All right, and as we can see on their canvas, sorry, hold on a minute here. I'm just gonna put this down a little bit for right this second. At the bottom, it reminds us to paint with passion. Yeah, that's what we want to do. All right, so I got this baby all out here. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to try to get this situated a little bit. Maybe I can just hold that down a little bit. This does need to, you know, be straightened out a little bit, but that's okay, because once you have it hung out, it will just lay flat really quickly. All right, I'm going to take the camera down and get as tall as I can. All right, and we're just going to pan down. Isn't that a beautiful home? Trees and flowers, shrubs. We got a pretty, what do they call that? It's a fence, but it's called something else. I can't remember what it is. But anyway, let's go on. Yeah, look at all that. All right, that's... Oh, we got a bird sitting up here. I'll miss a lot, as you know. Looks like there's another bird right there. Look at that pretty blue sky. Fluffy white clouds. Oh, another bird. Two birds. Lots of color for the flowers. Okay, let's move over a little bit. Oh, look at that. Is that a fountain, do you think? Maybe, maybe not. Oops. Wow, beautiful pink. My favorite color. Very pretty. All right, I'm going to take you down so we can look at the drill field. Just pan across some of it. Nice and clear, as always. All their canvases that I have so far are just so nice. All right, I'm going to put you back up here in the holder very carefully. There we go. All right, so we will kind of check out the stickiness of the canvas. And this has the thicker cover sheet on it. Oh yeah. Can you hear that? Nice and sticky. Yeah. If I can put it down right now. There we go. All right, and so our ABs are here. We've got a 0, what I call a hammer, an anchor, a bow tie, a sideways G, paw prints, an H, and an arrow to the right going down. Yeah, so we've got, we'll look at those in a minute here. And for me, I always have a hard time finding the ABs in the canvas, so yeah, so we've got some, looks like some white, so that's right here I can see, and up here, and then we've got some purple. I don't have my dollar store readers on. Oh, here we go. This is some purple, and we got some pink. Let's see, the pink is the anchor. I'm going to assume it's in the flowers because that's where the pink's at. And I would, yeah, here's another AB here. We got some orange. That might be up in the corner. Yeah, so let's take a gander at the drills. So I'm just going to pull this up. And we'll get these drills real quick. And I'm going to get the sheet out here. So they have their ABs at the end. So let's see, 52 to 59 are the ABs. So more than likely they're going to be in pack 2. So let's just look at these in pack 1. Lots of pretty colors in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the ABs. Everybody always wants to see what the ABs look like. So let's just open this up. Take it out. All right, and what did I say? Number 52. And their drills are always in order. And this looks like an AB to me. Let's see. Let me cheat and look. You know what? I might have to take this apart. You know what? I did the wrong one. I'm sorry. Yep. It should have been this one, I think. I get flustered when I open these because I'm so excited. All right, let's try this again. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Yep, here's the ABs. This is a long train here. Let's see. Let's see how far the ABs go. So we got 52, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut this because I can do that. So then we can see the ABs. All right, there is some of the ABs, and see what else we got here. And these are so sparkly that here we go, right in front of my face. Or is this the one I already opened? Oh, that's one. Well, let's look at these right now. All right, so look at that sparkle. This looks like this is a purple right here. Ooh, a pretty pink. Ooh, red. An orange. Alright, and I'm making a mess of stuff here. I don't even know what I'm getting everything confused. I don't even know what number I'm looking for anymore. Alright, let's see what we got. 34 to 27. You know it's going to be right in front of my face. 35 to 41. Yeah, now that I've torn this apart, we might as well just look at them all, huh? Up, 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 up. Did I find them? I did! So we got, oh, that's a pretty pink. You know what? Let me see if I can move my light over a little tiny bit and see if that helps, because I want you to see this. Let's see if this helps. I don't know. I don't have the best of light today because it's overcast. All right, so there we go. Those are the ABs. And so we're going to set those aside because we'll just gander through the other colors real quick. Okay, here we go. You ready? Maybe I can bring the camera down a little bit now that I've done the canvas. All right, here we go. Got some browns. Ooh, look at that orange. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Lots of different blues there. And some oranges, brown, blue. Ooh, look at that, ruby red. Real light pink. I'm going to get into the different greens. Ooh, lots of greenery. Ooh, that's like a forest green. Ooh, here's some pinks. We got some pinks. This, sorry, my camera just isn't showing this, but this is like a carnation pink, darker carnation pink. Pinkish red, more greenery, a tan. Oh, wow. Nice. Let's see what's on this pack. Oranges, more greenery. Ooh, another pretty red, deep red. Purple. Some more in the pink world. And like an army green. And the last one here, got some in the kind of orangish brown family. Pans. Look, here's some more purple, more red. And the famous 3 pans at the end. Only 2 bags though. That's good. Yeah. Alrighty. Woohoo. Oh, I am excited for this. So let me show this to you again. Isn't that beautiful? And look at the lights in the house up here. That is just fantastic. Majestic Mansion. Alrighty, so that is my unboxing from Dreamer Designs. I hope you enjoyed it. And I lost my clicker underneath all these drills. Oh boy. Okay, let's see if I can find it here. Uh-oh. What do I do with it? Oh my goodness gracious. You know, I just had it here and to start the video, and yeah, I've lost it. One moment, please. Technical difficulties. Oh, there it is. I found it. I knew I would. It's right up here. There we go. Well, okay, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't become one of my friends, just hit that subscribe button. And be sure you get the notification bell on so you can see when my next videos come up. Alrighty, well, thanks for stopping by, and we will chat with you later.